Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to another video. My name is Summer. I do loc and lifestyle content. If you're interested in those videos, please stay tuned and definitely hit the subscribe button. To all my returning subscribers, this is my first wash after my Retie by Avene. So if you haven't already, check out that video. It'll be in the cards above. Right now you can see I'm just kind of checking out my color. I did go in and darken it a little bit in some areas, and unfortunately I did have bleeding. So on my blonder or lighter areas there was some red bleeding and even some of the black that I put in there. Just felt like I wanted to darken the color a little bit based on the weather and the season right now, and I'm actually really liking the turnout beside the bleeding, of course. I'm going in now with my favorite loc of choice currently, and that's the Phyta Naturals Natural Loc Elixir. This oil is specified for locks and protective styling. I definitely recommend that you guys check this oil out. This is a plant-based, woman-owned, black-owned business, and I really love the benefits that this oil has given me over these last 3 weeks. I've been using it consistently and I have seen so much progress with my hair. Now my edges are not completely filled in yet, and I don't expect that to happen in 3 weeks, but I have been consistently moisturizing and massaging with this oil. Look at the shine on my hair right now, okay? The moisture, the smell. Sometimes I don't even feel like I have to oil my scalp twice or even 3 times a week because the oil stays in there. I mean, the moisture, it's not a heavy oil at all, but I can really feel the benefits of the oil 2, 3, even 4 days out from using it. Sometimes I just go in and just do a simple scalp massage without the oil, but man, this oil is definitely a keeper. I'll link all the information to the website, Instagram, and all the good stuff. I'll link that in the description box below, but definitely check them out. I believe they just finished having their holiday sale, so you probably missed out on that, but you can definitely still support this wonderful business. Does anybody else like to just go in and fix those frizzies, just wrap them around the loc? I mean, I know probably within the next 2 to 3 days they'll be all unraveled, but at least for the moment it makes me feel good that they're just in the loc and not frizzed out everywhere. Yeah, I'm just definitely going in and getting that scalp stimulated and the blood flowing and my scalp just fully massaged. So this oil, I mean guys, do you see the shine? This oil delivers. It just delivers. Now, if you're anything like me, you really don't care for rubber bands at all, and I just think that they cause so much breakage and tension, especially on the already weak ends of the loc. To prevent or reduce the breakage caused by rubber bands, this is a pro tip here. Add some oil to the rubber bands that you're going to use and just kind of prep them with an oil. It doesn't matter what oil. I'm using the Phyta Natural oil because I also want my entire head to smell good from root to tip. So I'm using a few drops of this oil to saturate my rubber bands. I'm also going to be using the Texture ID Thermal Mousse to apply on my damp hair. I do have a video on my thoughts on this mousse specifically, and it's just a keeper. It also adds an element of moisture to the hair. I decided to cornrow the front of my hair and do the back in single braids. There's no specific rhyme or reason. but I just like bigger waves, so this helps me achieve that, especially at the front. That's what you want to do. Bring me down. Bring me Man, I hate when this happens. Of course, I left out a lock, so I had to end up redoing one of the cornrows and just adding that one in there. Then I use just 1 or 2 pumps of the texture ID and just spread that all over the cornrows and the single plaits. Okay, it's time for the big reveal. I'm using my handy dandy tool here to just loose those rubber bands so I won't be pulling and prying at them and end up breaking my own hair. Of course, I did the rest of this off camera, so I'm returning to you guys with them mostly taken out at this point. I think I'm doing the last braid at the back, and I'm pretty satisfied with how the curls came out. I can't complain at all. I think I'm gonna like play around with my part and get it all situated in the way that I like. It's all based on personal preference. You wear your hair more to the left or to the right or in the middle, but yeah, I'm really satisfied with these curls. I mean, nothing beats, first of all, not sleeping with any kind of rollers or anything painful, but I really actually like the results. Like, the results were worth it. Questions or comments, definitely feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for supporting. I really appreciate the love and the comments and just the feedback that I've been getting from everyone. I hope you guys are enjoying the new year, and I'm wishing you all the best for the days ahead. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. The love is too high to bring me down.